Hey, GS43 here.
And Dave here.
And together,
We are the DNA Cooking Show. Tonight, we are making ramen log.
First step, we pulverize the noodles into a dust to make it dust.
This is one way.
Dough.
However,
Dough.
the other way to do it is much faster. We do this. Can't get it off.
As he struggles. We put it in there like that.
Well, no, we do this.
Yeah.
Now, this is for the dough. Because you know how the noodles are made from dough?
Oh shoot, I busted it open. Whoops. Where's the seasoning packet? I don't want to dump it in there.
No, you do not put the seasoning in there with it.
I fixed that. We are now putting all the ramen in there. Preferably don't put that in there. Now we will add water to the ramen to make it a dough. Because that is originally what it is. When they make it. Oh yeah. Wait. It's cardboard. I know. It's cardboard. It's gonna get soaked. Don't put it in. Oh, strict. What is the boiling water for?
The cooking the sausages.
Oh yeah.
We boil them before frying them. Okay, Andy, and you take everything. Do it again. Wow!
Okay. Now you gotta reshape it. Okay, ready?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, I'll get it out of the shot. That is terrible form.
Doesn't matter.
You never know, Gordon Ramsay might be watching. David, here.
No, it's not about perfection. It's about taste.
I agree.
Yeah, it may look trash, but it doesn't taste trash though.
Doing one at a time, a little bit. I don't want to spill. Actually, I could just use my phone. Excuse me. Okay. You can barely see anything. No, hey, all the water. Get it out of there. Now you oil it, so get some butter. Okay, that is just me. Oh, yeah, actually. Salt that. Okay, chill. That's enough salt.
I love salt.
Smells good.
Ready?
Are you recording? Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine.
We got some refried beans right here.
Say it again.
We got some refried beans right here. And we're gonna pour it in. Or dump it in. That's disgusting.
Man, it finally came out.
Ew, no. Oh, it's
It
disgusting.
finally came out. It's not coming out.
Here. Oh, there we go. Wait.
Oh, there it goes. It's coming out. It's coming out.
That looks. Come on. That looks. Come on. Okay, give me the spoon. That no. Come on. Nope. I'm gonna have to use a spoon. That would have been so satisfying. Gosh dang it. Why didn't it just come out? Look at that. See, it would have been so satisfying.
The rice is going in over here.
Okay. Now I'm mixing them. Refried beans and chili. If only we can make actual chili out of this. Yeah. Okay. What? Now it is time to combine everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or put everything in the ramen.
There you go.
So you combine the rice with the refried stuff as I eat the sausage. Oh my gosh. The cook always tests his food, okay? That's literally actually what they do. Okay, ready?
Yeah, put around the middle.
You can spread it out later. Oh my gosh, that looks... Actually, if they served this at Taco Bell, I'd eat it. Honestly. Maybe if it was actually in a burrito. Yeah, this actually looks pretty good. Put some beef in it. Looks good. Oh,
Wait, no,
we
Andy,
didn't compact it enough either.
I don't think it will close. I feel like we need to improvise and do the next best thing.
Wait. Wait.
Andy, it won't close, dude. It won't close.
Oh no.
Wait, Andy, we must do our next best thing.
What? Oh no. We can close them in increments
No,
and just make servings.
yeah,
And then you can put your own toppings on.
we need to spread it out here.
What would it, are we just gonna eat it like it's a nacho box from Taco Bell?
Like it's a pizza.
Yeah,
Or we're just
like
gonna
pizza.
get spoons and eat it down there or something? On a plate, actually on the table, and not on the couch. That would be bad.
Just grab pieces.
Honestly, it would be good, but the toilet, maybe not. You'd have to probably spend a few grand on another toilet, yeah. Or a few hundred. And this would literally destroy your bowels. Oh wait, we need to make a name. Not ramen roll or whatever.
The cheese grease on it.
Cheese? No, no. Drain the trees grease. Please drain it. It's disgusting. The trees grease. Yo. This crap bussin'. I gotta tell you. Like 10 out of 10. Like, oh my gosh, it looks terrible actually. Ew. We're gonna be on the. We're gonna be stuck in the bathroom.
There we go. Look at that.
No more. Watch this.
And also, this dish is sponsored by Clover Valley.
No, we ain't sponsored.
No, I know. What it is?
We wish.
It says hot. So.
Oh yes, here, give me that. Ouch. Ugh. Open up.
Hold on.
Ouch. Ugh.
What is
Want
it?
to try one? Here.
Hold
Open
on.
up.
Hold on.
Ow, it's burning my finger. That's what spice does sometimes. Oh my, oh, it smells like sour salt and vinegar. Smell, cameraman. Camera girl, sorry.
That was a pretty.
Regret? No. Yeah. Okay, well, we're done now. As you can see, this is it. 5 stars on Yelp. Actually, no, we haven't rated it yet because we don't know what it tastes like. Jalapeno is still burning my mouth, but it's fine. Okay, ready? Take a cut. Gourmet meals. Only here at Taco Bell. We call this the Bowel Destructor.
The Dysentery destroyer.
The Locker Upper.
Oh, it's okay.
It's
poop. All right, it's go time.
Okay, you try first. Get into the mat. Oh.
Gotta eat it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is that?
It isn't bad actually.
What was that? Okay, Oh my, no, not all that cheese. I'm gonna be locked up. Keith. Oh, terrible. Put it right here. Oh, this is puke. Put it right here, David. Please, get rid of it. Put it there.
In the trash it goes.
No.
I'm the trash. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give it a 2 or 3.
Oh, being the person I am, and I like to eat pretty much anything. 4 out of 5. I would not eat this whole thing, no. I can already see the toilet being broke after this. Grab a handful. Oh shoot, I didn't prepare. There you go. Oh no, I regret that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Napkin, please. Anybody? David?
What? Napkins? What napkins?
Can you dampen it?
Dampen it? Yeah.
I'm not even joking. Can it wet a little bit? I rub it in that.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! Not in the food.
Yeah.
Okay. Well. Okay. Now time to try it. Oh, why did I do that? Oh gosh. No.
Is it worth it?
You want to try one, David?
Hey, this is Andy. 3 days later, aka ZS43, and yeah, that video you just saw, it was our third DNA cooking, right, David?
Yeah.
Yep. And yep, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.